All right, so on this video, we're gonna do our best to show the installation of the Ruger 1022 bolt buffer pins. These are by design a little bit tighter than the stock pin, just so it really creates a nice pressure fit so it doesn't move around a lot. The first thing that you're gonna do is there's actually an inner core, steel, and then the outer sheath. You're gonna want to put it in the smaller hole here, and then we're just gonna separate the two pieces. So we're gonna press down like this, and as you can see, the inner metal will come out. Here we can see the two individual pieces. So now what we're gonna do, before we install it, we're gonna get a little bit of lube. Use your favorite gun oil. Use your favorite lube, it does not matter. Make sure you do the pin as well and the sheath. And now we're gonna install these separately. So basically the idea is you put in the sheath and then you lock it in with the pin. So let's see if we can get that done here. So we start with this hole here. See how easy it goes in now that the pin is not in there. So we'll try to get that in as best as we can. So here we have, it's completely flush. I don't know if you can see that. It's completely flush on both sides. And now we come in with the pin and we're gonna hammer this home. Cool. So as you can see, it's flush on this side, it's flush on this side, and it's locked in. So it's it's an extra step, but now it's really in there nice. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Leave a comment, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching.